Hey everybody, Chris here with Advanced Power Cleaning. We're out here in the Ash Creek neighborhood in Mechanicsville, getting the house cleaned today. They just wanted a house wash. They're getting their deck replaced this week or next week, so we didn't do the deck, but we're out here today at this house, giving it a nice clean. We just applied the soap. Now we'll be rinsing off here shortly to get it clean, and we'll move on to the other side. So if you're in the area, if you're interested in getting a house wash, give us a call. 804-789-0405. Thank you.